So here we've got the MESMODS Cannagar V2 3D printed. It's 3D printed in PLA plastic, which is a biodegradable, environmentally friendly plastic. It's safe to clean with ISO as well, so if you're using with any dry herb products you can get it nice and clean. Made it so it was nice and compact. One piece design, nice and simple. Sturdy lock. You've got the airflow centre stick. Now this means you can compress your dry herb down as much as you want, and you remove the stick afterwards and you've got good airflow. As I say, the compressor locks into place as well, so once it's all put together you can put it in your pocket, in your bag. It's nice, small, easy, compact. It's a nice big kit.